Hello everyone, welcome to GBRD Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. We are continuing on Postman series. We will see how to import and export collections. Once we open the Postman, we can either import or export. How to import it? We can go to on top. There is a menu. File. If you want to create a new tab, runner tab, Postman window. Suppose if you click on Postman window, it will open a new Postman window. It will open a new Postman window. Then we will have a suppose import. If you already you have either drag and drop, or curl command also we can do. Here from the GitHub, if you want to get the code from the GitHub, we can get Bitbucket, GitLab, Azure. We can get from there. From the repositories also we can get the. Suppose if you click on GitHub, it will ask username, password, those things we can connect and import it. But just if I want to import my local one, just click on the import. We can either click on the folders, or if you have a files directly. Suppose if I have this one, it will already exist. Just I am cancelling it. First we have to export it. If you want to import it, you should have already. How to? First we have to export it. Suppose this is one collection. You can click on it. Click on it and then export. Click on the export collection. We don't select V2 2.1 as it is default one. Click on the export. We can click on export, or if we want to share, we can also it will if you click on the share collection, to whom we want to share. You can select the environment also. Share if you want to whom, Gmail ID. If you have, you can give it here, and then move this collection to team workspace. Or we can convert this into a team workspace, or move this collection to a new team workspace. See here, first one means only this collection will be shared. If the second one means everything in this workspace will be shared. We can also whatever we want we can but I think it's not coming. Why? We can also share. We can click on this. We can get the link and we can share it instead of export. Click on the export where you want to export. Just go to that path and save it. It will export it. Then you can import it. First we have. Otherwise, someone is given. Someone is given. Then we can import it. We can import it. That one. Or URL also. Suppose someone shared a URL. Then we can copy that URL. We can copy that URL and then we can import it. Either from local or from the repository we can import it. Here collections are there, environments are there. We have a history. If you want to see what is the execution history. Sometimes you forget previously what executed. We can history. We can see. Here, what is the workspace type? Previously we have created workspace type as a build and within our team only. If you want to change it, if you want to make it as a public or everyone in our team only, these are all. We can some features are not enabled here because it is a free one. Some features we don't have permissions. If you want to share to someone, we can invite right? People, we can invite the people to, right? And then there are few APIs. Suppose file new Postman window. Just I will open the new Postman window. Right, here it will open default, right? Collections will be there. If you want to import, right, those we can import those default Postman collections. Right, previous workspace is a private workspace, so that's why we cannot share that private workspace if we create. Right, suppose click on the workspace settings. Right, we have to, right, if we create internal, we cannot share it. We have to make it as a public, then only we can share it. Suppose now change it to public. I have changed it to public. Right, now come to collection, right, export. Now click on the share collection. See, now we will get the URL, right? We will get the collection of it. Right, click on the notepad, paste. See, this is the URL. Right, we can open this URL. We can share to someone. If you want to share, you can share, or type the email ID. If you want to share environment also, select the environment, enter the email. Right, just invite, it will go some notification. Right, if it is a public one only, then only. Otherwise, we have to purchase the license if you want to share the collections. Right, and then few more things. Right, just let me switch to old one. Right, this symbol is also, see, before workspace we have a lock key. That means this is a private workspace. For public workspace we will have a, see, public symbol. Right, now here collection, you click on 3 dots. If you want to generate the test cases, right, what are the test cases? See, right, what is the tests we have written? See, these are the tests we have written for this test cases. Right, we can also generate. Click on the generate test. Right, it will generate right, all the tests. Right, here also we can generate test. And also what else we have? Right, right, we can create a monitor. We can monitor the collections, what we are doing on this right, collection. Right, create fork means, right, it will create a copy of this, right, copy of this workspace, not workspace, copy of this collection. Right, we can work on it without affecting original one. We can create the fork, and we can, right, duplicate is also, right, duplicate also means we are creating duplicate one. View documentation. Right, if you click on the documentation, it will show, see, what is the URL, right, what is the this request URL. We can add the description also. Right, it will show what is the headers and what is the request. Right, documentation also we can get. So see, if you want to publish it, on top right side we have, if you click on it, it will publish on the right, public. Right, that is visible to everyone. Right, and also we have in the left side history. Right, we have seen that already. Right, these are the different things, and then we have a here post bot. Right, there is a bot is there. Right, Postman bot. Right, we can also ask some questions. If you want anything about the Postman, we can ask the questions. It will give the answers. And also we can open the runner directly from here. We can drag and drop. Right, we can drag and drop the color. Suppose if we want to run, just drag and drop. See, it will come automatically. We can click on the runner, but see, here we have only in the free version, just we will have a 25 only, 25 runs only. Right, then if you want a proxy server, if you want to start, we can also create proxy server. Cookies, if you want to create any cookies, we can create the cookies. And then vault is if you want to store the right? Application keys, if there is any application keys, your passwords, right, we can keep it in your vault. That means it will be a secret one, right? Then trash, if you delete anything, it will show here in the trash, right? These are the some of the things, right? On top we will have, these are all the variables, right? Vault means if you want to add the usernames, password, keys, right, specific to this workspace, we can add it. Alright, these are the some of the, right, how to import, how to export, what are the right, different features of the Postman. Right, we can, right, if we have a licensed one, we will get more. Right, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. If you have any queries and doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.